May the peace, blessing, and mercy of God be upon you. Today we'll complete solving ICT exam paper 2, May, June 2025, variant 2. In the previous video, we solved the document task. You can find link in description. Today we'll go through the database task. You are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all required is fully visible. Use database software to import the file J2522 runners as a new table, and he give me some fields with data types, and set race number as a primary key. So this race number will be the primary key. Save your data and take a screenshot and save it in your evidence. Okay, we'll go to open access database. Let's open a new a blank database, and just we need to save it in our work area. So this May, June 25, paper 2, variant 2. Okay, let's name it as May 25 bar 2. Okay, and let's create this database. Now we need to import the runner table. So we'll right click over this table and select text file. Then we will browse our work area and select this table runner. Okay. Then next. And the first row contains field names. Now we can adjust the data type by using this advanced button. So the first two is text number as an integer, and then text long integer, text, then two integer. This will be base kilometer in decimal, and the second one, so it is long integer, double, okay. And the last three are integer, so it's long integer, that's okay. There is no change in this data. Be sure that the date order is day, month, year, and then okay. Now we need to adjust that trace number is the primary key, so we'll go to next, then choose the primary key as the race number, then next, and let's name it as runner. Okay, finish and close. Now we can close this table. It will be disappeared, and this will be the runner. Let's open it in the design view, and let's adjust what he asked me in exam. There is for speed kilometer per hour, it have to be 2 decimal places, and the rest will be the rest number will be integer. So this kilometer, this one have to be decimal places, have 2 decimal places. So we'll select 2 decimal places, and let's see the data sheet right now. Okay, this will be 2 decimal places. All of these have to be integers. Yes, this kilometer per hour. Sorry, kilometer. It have be decimal, but don't determine that it is 2 decimal places. So I leave it as it is, and the rest will be integer. So the rest of numbers will be integer. So it will be okay. Let's view all the table. Yes, all numbers are integers. Okay, now we can go to design view and take a screenshot for the data. So open your snipping tool and take screenshot. Just be sure that the key and the name, the table name and the field names and these types are fully visible. And now we can copy this and go to our evidence We did in the previous video, and it will be step 14 as I guess. Yes, it is 14. So in step 14, we will paste it. Control V and make it behind. And save. Get back to exam. Import the file J2522 group to CSV as a new table in your database. Set all data types to text. Set cat code as a primary key and put in your evidence the file or the exam view. Okay, we'll close this runner and right click, import text file, go to our work area. This will be group table. Okay, next, first row contains field names. Let's check the data. All data are text. So, okay, the next, and we need to put the field cat code as a primary key. So primary key, it will be cat code. Okay, next, and this will be named as group. Close and finish. Now we need to take for this group, open it in the design view and just take a screenshot. And copy this, go to your evidence and just make a space and Control V to paste it, make it behind and save. Get back to exam. Create a one-to-many relation between cat code in the group table and the category in the runners table. Okay, so we'll go to database tools. Let's first we need to close this table and select the relationship. Now we can select the two tables, and this cat code need to be related with the category in the relevant table and enforce sufficient integrity and create. This will be the relation. So we can just double click on this relation and put it at the bottom. Let's move it something like this. Let's put it here. And now we can take a screenshot for this relation and copy this and paste it in our evidence. So Control V. Let's move it down. Behind. And save. Get back to exam. First, we need to save this. Close and save. Now get back to exam. Add the following as a new record, a runners table. So we need to go to runner table. Open this runner table and we'll click over this arrow with star. It will give me a new record. So we'll start to insert this data in the table. and we'll save this data. Okay, number of records now is 499. Okay, we close this runner. Get back to exam. Using fields from both table to produce a tabular report, we need to produce a report. So as we mentioned before, the show and the rest of above will be in query, and the show and the rest of the rest of the question will be the report. So select the records where category starts with F. It will be F asterisk. Category rank is 1 or 2, so we'll type 1 or 2. Okay, show the only the fields category race number. So let's start creating the query. So we'll go to create query design and import the two tables, and we'll start to select the fields we will need in the query. So it will be category, race number, last name, first name. So uh, category, this one, race number, last name, first name, uh, and then level and category rank, level and category rank in this order. This will be the order, okay? Uh, with data and labels displayed in full, don't group the data. So now we have, if we need to run this query, as you can see, we have 499 records. So let's go get back to the design view and put the first criteria, which is category starts with F. So we'll go to category, and in the criteria, I'll type F star. So any category starts with F. So let's run again. Now we have 138 records. Okay, let's get back to design view and insert the second condition, which our category rank is 1 or 2. So category rank have to be 1 or 2. Now let's run. Now they will be 41 record, so it will be okay. Now we can close this query and save it. Let's save it as query 1. Let's get back to exam. Now we need to start to produce the report. This sort will be done after after creating the report, because if I do sort when through the creation process, it will make this order will be different between the fields. So I'll keep it and do it from inside the report. So this will be the label which will be required. The orientation have to be portrait orientation, and has name, center number, count number on the report. Okay, so I'll go to create report wizard. So let's go to create report wizard, and we'll select the query and select all fields from the query, and then next. There is no group, as you can see. So next. I'll never do this ascending from here. Then next, it will be a tabular and a portrait. So next, and the title will be best female runners. Okay. Now this is the report, but this report needs some adjustment. So we'll go to the layout view and make it all fully visible. So at the start list, the label take a space. So let's go to design view. This label needs some space here. Yeah, let's get back to layout view. And now category, and I'll press shift to select the data below the category, and I'll just minimize this. And this one, I'll click the label and then shift and the data, and I'll enlarge this to make this title fully visible, and I'll move it somehow left. The last name, the tallest ones, I wanted to adjust data for as tallest ones. So this will be for this rokun portion, and we can make it to the left. First name 2 have to be adjusted to the tallest ones. You have to select the tallest one to be sure that all data are fully visible. Yes or no? Okay. So we'll move it to the left, and the level have to be adjusted to the intermediate. This will be the tallest one, and I'll move it to the left. So we have a space for the rank 2. Is enlarge category rank. The label have to be fully visible. In this case, we can make it as central line, something like this, to make the numbers under in the center of the label. Okay, and now we are okay as we are so far from this dotted line. Now we can do the sorting. We can add sort. Let's read the sort question. Sort the data into ascending order of category rank. This is ascending order, category rank, and descending order for level. So we have two sorting processes here. Category rank as an ascending and level as descending. So let's add sort for category rank. Category rank ascending from smallest to largest. Okay, and I'll add the next one for the level. It will be descending. So A on top. No, descending have to be Z on top. We'll adjust this. Okay, let's see the report view now. This level descending NIE, yeah. And before this, the category is ascending. Category rank, sorry, ascending. So 1, then 2. Yes, that's okay. Now we can save and print the report. So we'll just print preview, go to print preview. This will be the report. This is the first page, and this will be the second page, and all data are fully visible. So I'll print it, but I'll not select the printer for now. I'll select it as PDF, and I'll save it as a work area 2 or printout 2, sorry, in my work area. Okay, and that's it. Let's close and save this report. Now get back to exam. Using field from both table to produce a tabular report that. So it will be the second report required in this exam. So select records where, and this is the criteria, contains new field. Now we need to create a new field in the in this report called race time, which is calculated at runtime. So we'll make it in the using the builder. This field will calculate the pace kilometer multiplied by 42.195. Display the race table field as time. This will be the format with the format HHMMSS. Show only the fields. So we'll start by creating the query. So create query design, and we'll select both tables. Okay. Now let's see the required fields. First name, last name, age level. So first name, last name, first name, last name, age level. So age, then level. Class race time, class race time. This have to be here. Race time. This time, this will be the one calculated, which we will calculate. Okay, and after this race time, speed kilometer and event rank. Speed in kilometer per hour, and the last one is event rank. So we'll select event rank. Now we need to create this race time field. I'll create it here, and I'll just move it before the speed kilometer. So let's go to the builder and select our database and tables. Now the equation will be calculated as pace kilometer multiplied by. So pace kilometer in the table of the runner. So I'll select pace kilometer multiplied by 42.198 195 and it will be okay. Now we need just change this expression one to make it race time. Race underscore time. As I remember, is that okay? Yeah, but time is small, small. And now if we run this will be the race time, which can be calculated as a new field here. Now I just wanted to put it in the order. So I'll get back to the design view. And I'll just click here and move it before the speed kilometer. Now he want to adjust this as time. The data type have to be time with specific. So let's go to the property sheet and this and the format. He asked me to make it as HHMMSS. So the format have to be HH colon colon SS. Okay. Now let's run again. This will be the rest time with HHMM and SS. Okay, let's get back to the design view. Now we can close those. And now we can start to produce the report, but as we get used, sorting will be done later. Page orientation have to be landscape. Fits a single page wide and print on 2 pages only. Includes only the title. This will be the title. The title one. Displayed in larger font size. Okay, and calculates. Now we need these calculations. It will be done after creation of the report. So this will be done after creation. So let's create the report. Now we can close this query and save it as query 2. Now we can go to create report wizard, and now we'll select query 2. and we'll take these fields in this order. Next, there is no group. Next, that's good. Next, we'll not do the sorting from here. Next, we need to change it to be landscape. Then next, and title will be top 10 novice runners. Then finish, and this will be our report. So we can go to the layout view to adjust the no, sorry, it is not right. I'll delete this. I'll delete this. Yes. Let's go back to runner query 2 on design view. We don't make the criteria. So we have here up to now 499 records. So we need to get back to the design view and put this criteria. Level is noise. Level is noise. So I'll go to level and it will be novice. When we run now we have 132 records. That's okay. Get back to the design view. And the second one, event rank is 100 or less. So it will be less than or equal 100. This will be for the event rank. Event rank will be less than or equal 100. Let's run it. Yes, it will be 31 record. This will be okay. Now we can save this query and go to create the report. Okay, according query 2. Next, 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 next. Landscape, next. And title will be top 100 novice runners. And finish. Okay, this will be saved before. I'll type it as report and I'll change it now. Finish. Now we can go to the design view and change this report to be top 100 novice. And let's make it divider as the report and make it center aligned. And make it bold with a black color. And you can just minimize this. Okay, now we need to remove these default placeholders. And let's get back to the layout. And now let's adjust the size of the fields. Okay, be sure that all data are fully visible and the titles are fully visible, or the labels. This will be by using the title, then press shift and then the data, and you can move it. Okay. The title and the data, and you can, by pressing shift, and you can adjust or resize the field. And now the title and the data, then adjust the field. Yeah, have to be fully visible for the tallest one. Okay. And then the title and the data. And this, I prefer put this as centered line. Yes, something like this. It will be more specified. And then the title, press shift and the data, enlarge this and make it center line. And you can move. You just try to be far away from this dotted line. This is very important. Okay, now we can uh, make this something like this. Okay, let's get back to the sorting part. Sort data into ascending order of age. So we'll just add sort according to age, smallest to largest. That's it. Okay. Now we can close this sorting and this report view. Where is the age? This is the age. This will be ascending order for the age. That's okay. Now let's get back to design view. And he asked me to calculate the top speed kilometer per hour and place this at the end of the report. At the end of the report, so it have be in the report footer. Yes, okay. And put the label. So we need the top speed. So we need to the maximum speed. Yes or no? Okay. So we'll go to our database and collect the field, and then go to totals and select the maximum. This will be the maximum speed. So I just need to resize this to make this fully visible, to be able to put it in my evidence. Let's enlarge this. Yeah, that's it. Now he asked me to write a label, fastest speed to the left of this value, and then certain number cut number at the footer of the report. It appears in the same position every page. So this will be in the page footer, not the report footer, according to my name and rest. But for now, we need to write my name. Sorry, the fastest speed as a label. We can make it in a black and make it right align. Maybe bold too. It will be better to emphasize what you do. We need to place in the form in the evidence the form of database formula that calculated the top speed. So we'll need to take it as a snipping tool. Take a screenshot for this and copy this and get back to our evidence, and in evidence 19 we'll paste it. Yes, save. Now we get back and let's see the report view. This will be the one. Yes, and the number is below the field, and this will be the title left of this. Now we need to get back to design view, and in the page footer, to be obtained this in every page, I'll import my name, center number, and count number. Okay, and let's emphasize this. Okay, so it will appear in every page. Now we need to save and print the report. So we'll go to the print preview. This will be in the first page, and this will be the second page. My name is appear here, and the recorded field is here, so we can print it. And as you get used, I'll print it as a PDF. In your exam, you'll print it as in your printer. So I'll make it as printout 3 and save. Now, this is the end of this part. Next video, we'll solve the presentation. You can find link description. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in my channel. It will make me glad. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next video.